Hello students, I am David. Class 5, subject EVS, chapter number 9. Chapter name, the food we eat. Topic, food preservation. In last class, we talked about the spoiled food. The spoiled food that can make the harm in our body. So, we should do something that the food cannot be spoiled, that we can use it for after some time. So, the method which we use, that is the food preservation. Food preservation, by it we can keep the food safe for the some time. Preservation of food means keeping it safe for getting spoiled. When we use the method by which we can keep the food safe to get spoiled. After using this method, food not spoiled quickly. It takes very long time to get spoiled. So this duration we can use it for our future use. The most common method we can see at our homes is refrigeration. It is a very normal method which everybody is using at their home. Refrigerator. It is placed at each and every single houses and families at present. It is a very common electronic machine that we are using. So by the method refrigeration we can keep the things safe. It is normally used in every family. We keep the food, fruits, vegetables, milk and other eatables in it, and we use it after some hours or after some days also. In the past, the most common methods were drying and pickling. Earlier time, when there was no refrigerator, that time even the people was using few methods to keep the food preservation, because the food preservation is a requirement of human being to use the food for after some time, for some days. So drying and pickling, these two were methods which were being used in the past. Drying is the oldest method of food preservation. Drying, it is the oldest method which was using from the earlier times. Food is salted to draw out all water and then left out in the sun to dry. In that process, food is mixed with salt and then keep it out to make it dry. And with the water, the all impurities also gets out and it's be safe for our future use. Pickling is another old method of food preservation. Salt, sugar, oil and vinegar which act as preservatives. Pickling. Pickling is also a method which is being used after and before, earlier also. In this method, the few things mixes with the food which keep it safe and stop to get spoiled. Salt, sugar, oil and vinegar. These are things which mixes with the food to keep it safe and stop to get spoiled. Food can also be preserved by canning and packing. Canning and packing. These are also two methods by which the food can be kept safe. It be preserved. Canning. In canning method, the food is kept in the cans and then heat it to kill the bacteria. And in the packing method, the food is kept in the packets and things come out, the whole air inside the packet. Whatever the air side was inside the packet, that comes out and makes the vacuum inside. So the food is safe now. In earlier class we talked that the bacteria can be easily born where the moisture is present, and for the moisture air is necessary. So in packing we take the air outside of the packet, so the bacteria cannot be born there. So these were the methods by which we can do the food preservation: refrigeration, drying, pickling, canning, packing. These are the methods by which we can preserve the food. So food preservation gives us help to use the food in the future use. So these were the points. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you.